Man, this build is really OP. But yeah, we got the medallion soon, because it's on top of this tower. And then we go and, well, unlock the things we have to unlock. Actually, this took like 40 minutes instead of like 30. Let's go, brother. Alright, everything is done here. We don't have to do anything here. The only thing we have to do is we have to go back to this goddamn elevator or lift. Let me ask you something. If it goes up, like elevator goes up, right? It takes you upwards, right? So what if it goes down? Because it takes you down too, right? So it's a descendivator. Right? Because it descends. It elevates you and then it descends you. Oh, this is the bad one. Oh god, this is the wrong one. I have to go back. This is the wrong one. I have to switch actions because we have to hoist the secret medallion, not the actual medallion. Hoist secret medallion. This is what we need. This is what leads us to Melania. Alright, let me actually look up the Mo's portal Adbrain. Okay, I got the location. Okay. Okay. We have to go through this dungeon really quick, and then I will go and unlock... Oh shit, Mo's place, or Mogwin's palace, whatever you want to call it. And then we go to Melania's town, I guess. Not town, but you know, that shit. Shouldn't take that long. But after I unlocked the bonfire here, let me go pee really quick. God. Come on, dude. There we go. I was about to die, Jesus. Let's do this quickly. Okay. So we have to go... There's a bonfire here. Or somewhere there. And We have to go kinda here. This is where the portal is. So we just go. Fuck it. I'm not following any guides here, so I just looked at a map, and that's what I'm following. So it's kind of hard to follow. Okay, this is better. I can fucking see something at least. Fuck is this shit? Actually, I might want to go here first, because like just in front of me, because there's also a bonfire there, and I want to get that too. And then we can come. Huh? There's an invade. Oh, we are getting invaded. That's why we dismounted. There's an invade. See how I know? How I know? I have no idea. I just kind of remember because I did this place before, right? I don't know where the guy is though. Oh, I see. Have to go like here-ish. Just because it will be easier to get back here from here because there's a teleport. Like there's a you know what I mean? There is a teleport here though. I would swear there is one. There is a teleporter. I know there is one here. I know there's one here. There's no shot. I know there is one. It's like right here. That's what I'm saying. I know there's one. There's no way there's no teleporters here. Okay, we got this shit. All right. We got this shit easy. Okay. We go back to the one marker to get the fucking teleporter to Mo's place. Or Mogwin's Palace, whatever it's called. I don't care what it's called. Let's just go there. Then we come back here, we do this shit, we unlock the Halic tree. And it's here. And we are here, ladies and gentlemen. Mogwin's Palace! Ha 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 ha! We are here. In this thing, underground. For the one true God hides. I'm just kidding. I will only do this place if we can finish what I wanted very early for today. And then I will do this, because this place is actually kind of short. Like, it looks big, but it has like a secret dark, like a dark fucking cave, and you can see shit. But if you know how to navigate, which I don't, then you can easily get past it. Okay. Now we go back. We go back here, and I will try to not die here. I would probably die a few times. This place sucks ass. I'm poor. I don't have money to get the village DLC. But nice try. I'm poor. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's not even real money. RMT is bad, don't you know? We don't do RMT. Ah! That's a death. Let me add 2, because maybe I forgot the death. Okay, so might have to do this the original way. I don't really want. I will try it again. Getting through this shit is kind of annoying. Because there are some hidden assassins here. And that's why I don't want to do this the legit way. Okay. Okay. God. Almost got it. Okay. If only I knew what I was doing, right? God damn it, dude. Oh. I was on the good track though. But I'm going to a favorite boss. I'm not gonna kill her, but I'm going there. God damn it, dude. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do it the normal way. Fuck these souls too. I don't need them. Actually, no. I'm gonna go back for those souls. Man, this is annoying. Maybe they fixed the cheese or something, because I think there used to be like a little notch you could like jump onto on the side. I don't know. But I know streamers did it this way. I didn't find the video like exactly where to jump to, so I just... Because I know that this is how it started. You just jumped here, you jumped up there, and you basically could skip this whole part. I'm getting kind of annoyed of this shit. Okay. Can I fucking get my goddamn souls? Wait, I actually can't get my souls. Okay, we just do it the legit way, I guess. Fuck this shit. Well, good luck to me, because this is actually ass. You have to enter this ever jail here. By the 4 figures in the ever jail. Oh, this will be painful. I might just die. Can I summon? No, I can't. God damn it. So like I said, there's like assassins hidden here. One is in this corner. Or like somewhere here. Because once I light these, they will start following me. And just try to like grab me. You see? It's pretty fucking annoying. And they do a lot of fucking damage too. See, and they do this too. It's very cool. You fucking cog, dude. And that can happen too. That's why I hate this place, dude. This place is fucking cancer. I need to lay back. Ugh, this will take a while. This will take a while. This fucking course is dog shit too. You fuck cock. Oh, we did this already. Okay. I guess we just go to the next one. Which I'm not sure what it is actually. But I guess we'll find it, huh? Actually, I don't remember the next one is. This motherfucker is like after me, dude. Maybe I have to do some climbing here, yeah. Oh, there's this piece of shit. Okay, this piece of shit is... Ah! Need to look up a guide, hold up, because this is actually... I want to order the Alt F4 from this goddamn game. Okay, sorry for that. I had to look that up because I was getting cancer already. That's why I hate this place. This shit took me a bit to figure out. And I didn't even figure out. I did not know that you have to deal with these fucking assassins, so I just kept dying. I was like, what the fuck is this bullshit? And then I looked up a guide, and it basically showed me the easiest way to get to these fucking portals or whatever. We lit one already, I think. That's two. Okay. Well, that's fine. We lit two. I have to get the other two. The other two is actually kind of easy. One more death. We lit two already, as you can see, right? So we only have to do the other two. There's one that's easy and there's one that's hard. So hopefully I will not die anymore, because I want to finish the game under 50 deaths. That's the goal. Second one and the third one, or the third and the fourth one, I mean, are here. And the last one is up there. Now, getting up there might be a bit shit because there's some archers here, as you could see before. Oh god. Well, that's the last one there. Oh. Wait. We lost it. We have to go back. God damn it, dude. This fucking assassin in my ass is pretty bad to deal with, to be honest. You fucking cock! Ah! I'm not sure if I'm able to get that last one with this build. You fucking cocksucker motherfucker horse. You fucking piece of shit. God fucking damn this fucking game. Actually, because of this taking for fucking ever, I don't think I will have time for more than for what I've planned for today. I don't know how the fuck to deal with these motherfucking assholes. I don't know how to deal with them. There's two of them. And I don't know how to deal with them. My magic is not even reaching him. Like, I can't even reach him. I don't know about this one. I don't know what to do, honestly. I'm kind of stuck, because I thought I can do the cheese. I didn't actually think about resolving this the original way, if I'm being honest. This is not doing shit. Dude, this is so bad. I can't even hit him. No idea what to do. Actually, I'm lost as fuck. No way. Nah, I don't know if I can do this. fuck my asshole? You cock! I'm dead. I failed what I wanted to do. Yeah, just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. I don't want to play this game anymore. Like, I'm actually on the verge of fucking just all deforing. Fuck. This is magic damage. You fucking... You cock. How? Fuck!